In this video, I want to talk about the link attribute. I'm going to do a couple of videos on the link attribute, but a couple important things to notice are, first of all, the name is link. It's a self-closing tag, so you can do this, that, that. They're all appropriate ways to close the tag. We'll keep it like this for now. It has a rel attribute, a type attribute, and an href attribute. The href is what you're linking, so we're going, in this example, we're linking a page called style.css, which actually doesn't exist in the same folder as this pen, but we're pretending it does. Type tells it what to do with it. So this is a CSS file. So if we want to link a style sheet, so if you are learning CSS as well, you might want to link a style sheet. Then you'll use text/CSS, and then rel. This will say this is the file extension, and this is what to do with it essentially. So it's telling the browser it is a style sheet. And the link attribute also will go, this whole thing will go within the head element of the HTML page. So keep that in mind. This is another one of the important things that you need to be able to use within the head element. A lot of what we do with HTML is in the body, and so sometimes we forget about the head, but this is an important thing you'll use a lot.